वेलकम टू टाइमस ट्रेवल टॉक्स एपिसोड नंबर 25। आज है फरवरी का महीना और पहला दिन 2021 का। मैं आशा करता हूं कि आपका जनवरी बहुत ही अच्छा गया होगा और आशा करता हूं कि फरवरी उससे भी अच्छा जाए। और आशा के साथ साथ हम काम भी कर रहे हैं। आपने मेरा पिछला एपिसोड देखा होगा, हम लोग फील्ड पे थे, हम लोग रोड पे थे और हम लोग जा रहे थे अपने डीलर्स के पास, हमारे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स के पास, हमारे दोस्तों के पास। Because Timers is built by friends. Hashtag Timers built by friends. So, दोस्तों पिछले काफी एपिसोडों में हमने काफी बातें करी। हमने सोलो बैकपैकिंग के बारे में, ट्रैवलिंग के बारे में न जाने कितनी बातें करी, प्लानिंग किया हमने, है जो बजट भी बनाया हमने, डेस्टिनेशन भी चूज किया हमने, ऑस्ट्रेलिया के बारे में भी बातें करी। आज मैं आपको कुछ ऐसा बताना चाहता हूं, आज मैं आपके साथ कुछ ऐसा शेयर करना चाहता हूं जो कि आपको काफी यूजफुल होगा और आशा भी करता हूं कि आपको मजा भी आए। आज हमारे साथ फिर से टाइमस के सीईओ फाउंडर हमें ज्वाइन करने जा रहे हैं, मिस्टर सुमित तिवारी। मिस्टर सुमित तिवारी, प्लीज आइए सर।
Hi, thank you for giving me surprises all the time, dude.
सुमित तिवारी सर पीछे थे और ये बस निकल ही रहे थे। मैंने सोचा मैं इनको जाने नहीं दूंगा। तो टाइमस के फाउंडर एंड सीईओ इज हियर विथ मी। सुमित तिवारी सर, आपको देख के बहुत ही मन खुश हो जाता है और हम दोनों जब भी ये लाइव जाते हैं हम कुछ ना कुछ है जो तगड़ा करते हैं। सुमित सर, आज मैंने आपको यहाँ बुलाया है, उसका बहुत ही स्पेसिफिक रीजन है। आप एक अमेजिंग स्टोरी टेलर हो, ये पूरी दुनिया जानती है और मैं चाहता हूं कि आज वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट्स कैमरून स्पिनर के बारे में आप हमारे ऑडियंस को थोड़ा सा आइडिया दे। मतलब सोलो बैकपैकिंग के बारे में हमने इतनी बातें करी, बैग्स के बारे में बातें करी, बट कैमरून स्पिनर के बारे में आप उसके एकदम अलग ही प्रॉपर्टी को आप हमारे ऑडियंस को प्लीज बताइए। और मैं आपके सामने
But I was told that you're going to speak about Cameron today. It was not me.
नहीं सर,
This is just not fair.
सुमित सर हमारे काफी मॉडेस्ट हैं और सुमित सर एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन स्टोरी टेलर हैं। इनके मुंह से जो भी स्टोरी निकलती है दोस्तों, ये बहुत ही कैप्टिवेटिंग होता है। सर प्लीज हमारे ऑडियंस को आज आप कैमरून के पीछे का स्टोरी बताइए।
Actually, I was not supposed to be here. Sham caught up. I was about to leave for home today. I had some, some things which were supposed to be taken care of, but he caught me. He was supposed to talk on Cameroon. Cameroon is one of my favorite products personally, and it's, the name itself speaks a lot about from where we picked up the design and methodology and the color combinations. That's the reason Cameroon. The color combination, basically the interiors of this.
Yeah.
So Cameroon was one of the first products in India, Sham, which had a 4-wheel. Usually, duffel bags usually came with 2-wheelers. Cameroon was the first wheel duffel bag with 4 wheels.
Wow.
Premium category.
Wow.
So a lot of people had 4 wheels as a part of a cabin luggage.
जी.
And check-in luggage.
Sure.
But Cameroon was the first wheel duffel with the 4-wheel spinner bags.
जी.
And over a period of time, we modified this bag. This is just not a wheel duffel. It has a spring attached to this. So in fact, you can wear it like this. Yeah. So you probably I can have 10 kilos fill in this, and I can stand at the airport waiting for my the bus to arrive, or to board the bus, something that sort of. So this is one of the advantages of Cameroon, and the wheels are designed in such a way that it doesn't dirty your clothing or a trouser or shirts what you're wearing.
Fair enough.
That's one. Secondly, if you don't want to use it as a so there's a dog hook which you can actually remove it, and you can put it somewhere here.
जी.
And then it becomes your
shoulder belt.
Alright.
Wow.
So this becomes a shoulder belt. Perfect.
Wow.
So this is how it is. You can lower it, and then it becomes, your hands are free, you're not carrying anything, you're not maneuvering anything. and that's how it is. The small detailing which has gone into Cameroon Sham, like small Times label here,
Yeah.
and then we have a magazine compartment here for the last minute stuffing in.
Yeah.
We have a side pocket for your passports or ticketing, which you can keep it until you get onto your seat and at the Airbus. It's very spacious product. Much below 115 centimeter, which is international dimensions for your cabin luggage.
कैबिन लगेज सो सर ये तो इसका स्पेसिफिकेशन हुआ बट ये आइडिया आपको आया कैसे और मतलब आपने कब ठाना इसको बनाने के लिए
So first Cameroon we rolled out in Timus was in 2009, and in those days the wheels used to be a very bulky wheels, and I was getting drenched standing somewhere, and I had some samples in my bag, and I realized, what if I had only one sample in my hand, one wheel duffer. How would it be easier for me standing at that particular junction when I was standing,
जब बारिश हो रही
थी when me and my sales team were totally drenched actually.
Wow.
But luggage in the hand.
Wow.
Next day when we came to the factory, I thought, I need to have a shoulder belt, I need to have a 4-wheel bag and stuff like that. And we went through a lot of brainstorming, and that's how the Cameroon was actually born.
वाओ सो मैं आपके साथ ये काफी रिलेट कर सकता हूँ बिकॉज अगर हमारी ऑडियंस ने मेरा पहला एपिसोड देखा होगा, हमारा पहला एपिसोड देखा होगा, तो मैंने काफी डिटेल में डिस्क्राइब किया था कि जब मैं 17 साल का था और मैं अपने कॉलेज के एडमिशन के लिए निकल गया था और मेरे हाथ में लगेज था और मैं भी वैसे ही बारिश में भीग रहा था.
Super, wow. This is a beautiful coincidence.
Wow, and it gives me goosebumps. मतलब इतना अच्छा लग रहा है ये स्टोरी सुन के रिलेट करके कि मतलब जैसे मेरे साथ हुआ, सुमित सर के साथ हुआ, आपके साथ भी हुआ होगा दोस्तों. कमेंट में लिख के भेजिए कि आपका क्या रिएक्शन रहा था. और हेलो शीतल अग्रवाल, हाउ आर यू, नाइस टू सी यू. सो या शीतल, आप भी बता सकते हैं, हमारे ऑडियंस भी बता सकते हैं कि क्या आपके साथ ऐसा वाकया हुआ था जहां आप बारिश में अकेले भीग रहे हैं या फिर आप कहीं जा रहे हैं और बारिश चालू हो गई एंड यू आर थिंकिंग कि यार मेरे पास एक बैकपैक है या जो भी है. कैमरन जैसा प्रोडक्ट आपके पास उस टाइम पे नहीं था. क्या आपके दिमाग में आया कि ऐसा प्रोडक्ट होना चाहिए कैमरन जैसा? सो हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख के बताइए प्लीज. सो सर, हमारे ऑडियंस को, हमारे व्यूअर्स को, हमारे डीलर्स को, हमारे सपोर्टर्स को प्लीज बताइए कि इसमें जो प्रीमियम प्रोडक्ट हमने यूज किया है उसका मतलब एक छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन दीजिए प्लीज.
So the fabric for Cameroon Plus itself is a very rich fabric. We've used the polyester plus nylon luster finish fabric, and it gives a very premium look. We've used the leather on the front panel. We've used the leather on the front panel, which gives you a premium finish, and that's one of the reasons. Because Cameroon is a premium product, we do not sell it across any dealers. We have very selective. We shortlisted around 50 dealers among the 500 dealers we have in Timus today, Sham. And we don't want to sell Cameroon across anywhere and everywhere. People where we have identified the markets where there are young enthusiasts, people working in the IT, young couples, people who are always on the move, people who are very upbeat about their life. So Cameroon is meant for these people. So we have identified around 15 stores across India where Cameroon is getting sold, and we intentionally do not want to sell Cameroon across 500 dealers where Timus is present today. It's a premium product. It's not about cost. Probably anybody could afford 4,000, 5,000, 3,000 rupees for a Cameroon product. It's not about only money, but we actually want Cameroon to be in the right hands. It should go with the personality of the person who's using it.
Absolutely.
And so we have chosen these 50 dealers where we know the kind of crowd, the walk-ins they have, which suit their personalities, which suit Cameroon as a product.
Absolutely.
And we would love to see Cameroons in those hands.
Absolutely.
And hence, Cameroon is sold only across 45 to 55 dealers what the sales team has shortlisted.
अमेजिंग. सो दोस्तों, सर ने आपको काफी सारी बातें बताई कैमरून के बारे में, आपको कितना नॉलेज दिया इस बैग के बारे में. मैं आपके लिए 2 सरप्राइज दिखाना चाहता हूं जल्दी से. सो उसमें से एक ये है, ये नॉट ओनली 4 व्हील्स के साथ आता है, इट्स अ डफल which has been engineered by none other than Mr. Sumit Tiwari. out of need, out of passion, out of necessity, I would say. But इसमें trolley handle भी है,
Correct. So
which
this
is
is a
like
100% aluminium trolley.
Yes.
To make it lighter and nicer, we've used aluminium trolley. So a lot of products, if you go in the market between 2,500 to 5,000, 6,000, big brands also, they do not use aluminium trolley. They use MS trolley, and they probably coat it with an aluminium coating, and it looks like an aluminium trolley. It's not an aluminium trolley. Next time you have a magnet, you just put it and check whether it's an aluminium or an
Nice
iron.
view, yeah.
Aluminium. The magnet wouldn't stick to the aluminium one, but it would stick to the MS trolley, and that's how the marketing gimmick happens in the world, Sham.
Yeah.
That's how it is. So we used 100% aluminum trolley here, and Sham, if you see, Cameroon has this reinforcement where the stress points, if I can show it to my viewers here,
Yeah.
there are reinforcement points on the handles, and there are 21 reinforcement points in this bag where the weight, the stress points is divided into 21 different points. So once you fill this bag with 5 kilos, 10 kilos, maybe 20 kilos also, the weight will not come at one particular position, location of the bag. It's distributed throughout, so that even when you're carrying it on your shoulder, or you're wearing it like a backpack, or you're just rolling it, you will not feel the heaviness of the bag. Obviously, we've taken gravitational force into account and all those things. I'll keep this designing part of the factory because that's one of our strength and the fortes. Probably we can have a technical session later on. But yes, it's a product which is tested for 20-25 kilos. The pull handles is tested for more than 500 repetitions. It's, more than 1,000 times jerk is given, and under 20 kilos of suspended weight. And that's how the Cameroon comes across as a very strong, sturdy product. The wheels of Cameroon is tested for 18 kilometers on the rough surface. So, any bag would not travel more than 5 to 6 kilometers in its lifespan.
Yeah.
These wheels are tested for 18 kilometers on a rough surface, Sham.
Yeah.
That's the reason we give warranties of 3 years, 5 years, 16, 10 years also for that matter.
Yeah, fair enough. So दोस्तों ये है फायदे इंजीनियरिंग करने के ऑन अ लाइटर नोट दोस्तों, बट आपको मैं बता नहीं सकता कि कितना थॉट प्रोसेस जाता है एक बैग बनाने में, एक लगेज बनाने में. सुमित सर इज द मास्टर टू एक्सप्लेन यू कि कितना कारीगरी इसमें जाता है, हाउ मच हैंड वर्क, हाउ मच स्किल्ड लेबर गोज इनटू दिस, हाउ मच वी आर वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स supporting skilled labor of India, and there's a lot that goes into it दोस्तों.
Correct.
So technical knowledge हमने आज आपको दिया, कोशिश किया हम जितना शॉर्ट टाइम में आपको दे सकते थे हमने देने की कोशिश की. सो ये था आज का हमारा प्रोडक्ट फॉर सोलो बैकपैकर्स, स्पेशली सोलो बैकपैकर who wants to look exquisite, not only while they're doing solo backpacking, but this is something when you're in a IT field or something like IT, you can carry this and without looking like you have an executive product. So this is what I wanted to discuss to you about, and what we have special in every Timer's bag is this
label,
Be Inspired
so
label.
Fortunately, Cameroon also has this label. It's called Be Inspired label. It talks about you as a person, the user. The kind of strength you have, and you're bored in life, you're depressed in life, you're feeling low, you're not very energetic, you're feeling less upbeat about yourself, which you originally are. All you have to do, go and just pick up the bag, check onto the Be Inspired label, and see what is written there. It's something which represents you as a person, Sham, and the person who's using this.
Absolutely.
It says, I'm beautiful, I'm smart, I'm strong, I'm talented, I'm powerful, I'm enough. That's the Be Inspired label of Timeless, which comes across majorly all the premium categories, including the backpacks and all. The whole idea is that it should give you a strength, it should make you realize that you're enough. You don't need anyone. You don't need an external factor to keep you happy, to keep you motivated, to lit a fire in your belly.
Yeah.
You are enough. You are enough for yourself. You are enough for this whole world. You need to believe in your strengths. That's how the label Be Inspired was born, Sham.
अमेजिंग अमेजिंग. हमारे एक व्यूअर हमको हेलो बोल रहे हैं, उज्जवल जी, वेरी नाइस टू सी यू. 2 एपिसोड पहले आप भी थे शो में. सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग अस मिस्टर उज्जवल जी. आई कैनॉट थैंक यू इनफ. जिस तरह का सपोर्ट आप लोग देते हैं, इट इज वेरी 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 इट्स अ पिलर फॉर अस। ये हमारे लिए बहुत ही बड़ा सपोर्ट रहता है जब भी आप आते हैं। तो मैं आज आपको फिर से वो ऑफर देने जा रहा हूं, बट इस टाइम थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट होगा। आज हमने कैमरन के बारे में इतनी बातें करी हैं, तो कैमरन के लिए नेक्स्ट 24 आवर्स में आपके पास ऑफर ये है कि आप कैमरून खरीदिए कहीं से भी, चाहे वो डीलर से खरीदें, शॉप से खरीदें, या फिर ऑनलाइन पोर्टल से खरीदें, जैसे कि शॉपक्लूज, फ्लिपकार्ट, अमेजॉन, कोई भी ऑनलाइन पोर्टल से, कोई भी शॉप से आप कैमरन बैग खरीदिए। और टाइमस ऑफिस आपको एक कैशबैक ऑफर देगा। दी ओनली कंडीशन इज, सिर्फ एक ही कंडीशन है कि आपको अपना इनवॉइस, अपना रिसीट हमको फेसबुक मैसेज के थ्रू भेजना पड़ेगा।
Wow.
Within
This is beautiful.
24 hours.
I would have just grabbed and bought a Titus bag for myself, Cameroon.
Amazing.
Super,
It's an amazing bag, guys.
Correct.
Something unique, something very different. Kept solo backpackers, travelers, explorers in the mind. और इससे बढ़िया प्रोडक्ट, इससे ब्यूटीफुल प्रोडक्ट मैंने अभी तक फिलहाल नहीं देखा था।
And it's a lightweight bag,
It is a lightweight bag. It comes in this red wine color and in a very amazing
brown.
chocolatey brown, black, classic black. Black can never go wrong. And navy blue.
And navy blue. And it comes with Titus, commitment of warranty of 3 years.
Absolutely. 3 years warranty, guys. So, this was for today in Timus Travel Talks. Thank you so much. आप हमारे साथ बने रहे। आज आपने हमें अपना समय दिया, कीमती समय दिया। साथ में इसी एक्साइटिंग ऑफर, ट्रैवलिंग नॉलेज, लगेज इंडस्ट्री के साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए थैंक यू सो मच। हम आपसे कल मिलेंगे फिर 6:30 बजे। बाय बाय।
Thank you so much, Shyam, for having me here.
Most
Thank you,
welcome.
guys. Bye bye. Take care.
See ya. Bye.